Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Yeedi M12 Pro Gen2, a robot vacuum and mop from ECOVACS Yeedi lineup. Let's break down what it brings to the table. This unit delivers 25,000 pascals of suction power, paired with a fully floating rubber bristle main brush that's genuinely effective at pulling dust, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. It also uses ZeroTangle technology on both the main brush and side brush, aimed at reducing the hair tangling maintenance headache that plagues a lot of robot vacuums. For navigation, it uses LDS laser navigation for precise home mapping and systematic cleaning, combined with single-line structured light obstacle avoidance. This combination helps it efficiently navigate around obstacles and avoid getting stuck, a common frustration with lower-end robot vacuums. The maintenance station here is genuinely comprehensive. It features automatic dust collection with a 3-liter dust bag, meaning you empty it far less often, plus automatic mop cleaning. With 4-liter clean and dirty water tanks, it supports mopping areas up to roughly 3,229 square feet, making it suitable for larger homes. Drying is handled with 113 degrees Fahrenheit hot air, with adjustable drying times of 2, 3, or 4 hours depending on your preference. The base station also includes self-cleaning functionality with a detachable cleaning tank, keeping ongoing maintenance straightforward. Battery life is strong too. A 5,200 mAh lithium battery delivers up to 220 minutes of runtime in silent mode, or 180 minutes in standard sweep and mop mode. Control is handled through the Yeedi app, with compatibility for Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri shortcuts for hands-free operation. One practical note directly from the manufacturer: this model only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, so it's worth confirming your router setup supports that band before purchasing. Overall, the Yeedi M12 Pro Gen2 combines strong suction power, comprehensive auto maintenance features, and long battery runtime, making it a compelling option if you want a capable robot vacuum and mop without stepping into the premium price tier. I'll leave a link to this vacuum in the description below if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, see you in the next review.